Welcome everybody, welcome to another episode of Pressure Crisp. My name is Lisa. Today we're going to be using the SPEEDI and we're going to take a whole chicken and steam crisp it. Yes. Whoa, that is a nice looking chicken. So this is about a 5-pound organic chicken. And the reason why I picked up an organic chicken, I try to pick up when I can, but you know, it's uber expensive to eat organic. The reason being is because I'm not going to season this chicken with anything but salt and pepper. And I can hear everybody out there, she didn't use any seasoning, she didn't use any seasoning. Well, there's a reason behind why I'm not using any seasoning. We're going to actually use this for chicken soup. What I'm going to do is save the bones. I'm going to take the meat off this chicken. But I'm going to make this into chicken soup, and I'm going to make my own chicken stock using the carcass of this chicken, which I'm going to pressure cook in the smart lid. So there's a reason why I'm not seasoning this very heavily. Spray a bit. And yes, it's organic oil. Just plain old salt and pepper. That's it. But we will play it by ear. So we're using the SPEEDI. The ceramic bowl, it's not even a bowl. The ceramic square is in. Well, the non-stick square is in. We're going to take the tray. We're going to put it all the way in the bottom. This prevents the chicken from, it won't sit on the bottom of the I keep saying foodie. It will not sit on the bottom of the SPEEDI. And I do have to get some string. I'm going to have to order some string. Just put that in there. You're going to take 1 cup of water. I'm just going to pour it in. Now you guys can use whatever seasoning that you want. Alright? I'm just making this for soup because it's starting to get chilly willy at night and I'm craving actually chicken soup. Lower the lid. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're going to flip it, this knob right here, to rapid cooker. We're going to put it on steam crisp. Now it said 400. We're going to go for it. We're going to up this. I love buttons, people. I'm going to do it for 40 minutes. It says anywhere from 40 to 50 minutes. Now, I do have up there on the fridge, as you can see, I've got a meter thermometer, and I also have the wired thermometer, but we're just going to go ahead and follow the directions in the book and see what happens. So as you can see, we have about 3 minutes left, and I'm curious, before we run out of time, I just want to open the lid and see what it looks like. Whoa, that is a nice looking chicken. When you open the lid, it actually stops the time and the cooking. As you can see over here, you can't see, but it stopped. I'm just temping this chicken. Holy mackerel, it's almost done. 156, 155, right there. So we're going to let it cook for the remaining 3 minutes, and it should be done. We're going to let it sit, and it should come right up to temperature. Holy mackerel, this thing's awesome. 40 minutes, a whole chicken. And to be honest with you, there's probably room, I'm not sure if there's room around to put potatoes or something, to have some like roasted potatoes with this dinner. Maybe a bit of carrots, I don't know. That's something I'll have to work on in the future. Okay, so it's done and it's shut off. Steam's still coming out of there. This is, wow. The skin is really nice. Wow. So I'm going to see if I can take it out of here. Not that I don't care what it looks like, it's just I'm using it for soup. So I'm trying to, crikey. There we go. Let all those juices fall out. And on the floor too. Super. So you guys can see the bottom right now. See that? So it doesn't crisp up on the bottom. Just an FYI. And we got tons of juices coming out of here. Really nice. The The juices are kind of pink, so I'm going to retemp this just to make sure. Yeah, it's done. It's just weird. It took 40 minutes. These are going to be my snack. But like I said, I'm making this for soup. I'm going to take the skin off, take all the chicken off the bones, and back up the bones because I don't have time this week. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice a piece of this off. Yeah, look at that. Super moist. Not sure if you guys can see. Look at super moist chicken. Just going to take a quick bite of this. Yeah, that is super moist. That's going to make some really, really, really good chicken soup. Yeah, I completely forgot to take a picture of